It's your boy again, Zulu Boy Mechanic, 07 Master 5. So this thing came in for noise issues. If ever you own a Master 3, Master 5, Master 6, and there's a complaint of rear noise, don't go too far. It's a very common thing. I will show you what the problem is here. The wheel is off right now. So you have this shock absorber right there, and there's a top mount. This top mount is secured right there with these two balls, and that's the top mount right there. This is made of aluminum, and that's steel right there. These two don't get along at all. With time they corrode and then always break. Like this shock is still okay. I mean, I can reuse it and just change the top mount. Again, to change this top mount, you have to pull the shock out and then, you know, do it. It's much easier outside. You can try in there, but of course, it'll be lots of work. And this is the mount. This is how it looks like. So that's the new part. It's fairly cheap, hence it breaks all the time. Cheap things are never good. Of course, this one is not about just being cheap. It's also the combination of the type of metals that are being used. Of course, they don't get along, so they will corrode and do that. So in this case, I'm just gonna go do both. Brakes are still good on this car, and the rear coil springs, they're in perfect condition, so there's no need to do anything there. I haven't taken this wheel off, but you can look right there. You see this one, it's quite rusted. So there's no way I'm going to leave that there, because this customer will be back again for the same job. So I'd rather just do everything, make it perfect for them, and then of course continue doing what I have to do. Once again, thank you for trusting the Zulu Boy Mechanic here.